So if you're looking to generate $5,000 or more with your affiliate marketing business, in this video today, I'm actually going to give you the secret formula. We're starting right now. What's up guys? My name is John, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if you have a laptop and an internet connection, I can show you how you can take the two of those, marry them, and generate cash online. So make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right-hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click the notification so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Now guys, in this video today, I'm gonna be giving you the secret formula to generating $5,000 plus per month with your affiliate marketing business. Now, contrary to popular opinion, this has nothing to do with the business opportunity that you may be involved with, or the MLM, or any product that you decide that you want to promote. It has more to do about a strategy that you have to implement in your business, regardless of the product or the opportunity, and something that you need to be doing on a consistent basis in order to really make buku money with your affiliate marketing business. Now guys, the strategy that I'm going to be showing you today is what all the top affiliates are doing. It is a fact, and if you learn and implement what I'm going to be teaching you today, there's no reason why, if you take action, that you can't be making $5,000 plus per month. So it's going to jump right into the video. So what exactly is this secret formula that I'm talking about? Well, the secret formula is GIT. GIT. And what the G stands for is getting information or getting educated. So the first thing that you need to do if you're just starting out with your affiliate marketing business is you need to get educated. Because you got to think about it guys, what typically happens when somebody gets excited about making money online, they may have found a product or they may have found a business opportunity and they see other people making money with it and they get super excited, they jump in, and within weeks of jumping in, they find out that there is a lack of skills that they don't have, and it's not as easy as the guru had made it seem out to be. So you get into these systems, you get into these programs, you get into these MLMs, and you don't know how to do certain skills. You don't know how to build a website, you don't know how to build a sales funnel, you don't know how to do email marketing, you don't know how to do social media marketing. There's all these different things that's taken that guru months or even years to perfect. But the message that is put out to you is that, you just join this business opportunity and then you're just going to be making money just like that, and it just doesn't work that way. So what you have to do first is you have to take the time to get the information. You have to get educated, and there's a lot of different ways that you can do that. Obviously, there are business opportunities out there that will have some good training, but some don't have good training. So if you're in a situation where you're in a business opportunity, or you're just trying to promote different products and services, but you really haven't formally been educated on the different skill sets that you need in order to build a true digital marketing business, you need to stop whatever you're doing right now and you need to first get educated. Now, this doesn't have to cost a whole lot of money to get this information, to get this education. I've talked about here on YouTube that you can go over to a site called udemy.com, and they have a ton of online courses in just about any subject matter that you could possibly need. So if you want to learn copywriting, if you want to learn social media marketing, YouTube marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, it's all there, and it's all very cheap courses. So you could take a few $100s and actually get all the information that you need in terms of building an online business. And the cool thing about buying a course versus just watching YouTube videos here and there and everywhere is you get a organized, succinct course that you can actually go through and follow from top to bottom, which is going to make a lot more sense than getting a piece here and a piece there on YouTube. The problem is a lot of people get so afraid of investing a little bit of money into their education. And what they don't understand is if you invest a little bit of your money into education and then actually take the time to go through that education and learn it, it's going to pay for itself tenfold, 100-fold. So the first thing you have to do is get the information. Now the I stands for implementation. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get the information, you're going to learn all these different skill sets that you need to learn, and then you need to actually implement what you learn. Now when I say implement what you learn, that doesn't mean that when you implement the stuff that you learn in the different courses that you're going to be making tens of thousands of dollars by next week. Implementation can just be as simple as creating a blog. Maybe you're working on creating a personal brand for yourself and you wanted to create a blog, and you could implement that, right? You can figure out how to build a website, how to get graphics for your website, how to write good blog posts, and how to do search engine optimization, and you implement that, right? You implement that, and that is your result. Maybe you want to learn how to do YouTube marketing, and you go on Udemy and you find a couple different YouTube courses, and you figure out how to get your graphics and how to do your thumbnails and how to do YouTube SEO, and then you start implementing it. You create a channel, you start creating videos, and you start getting some traction with YouTube. That's implementing. You see, what people fail to do is they fail to implement the traffic strategies, the copywriting techniques, the different things that they actually need to know in order to be a successful affiliate marketer. What people do is they take these business opportunities and they take their exact sales page that they give them, and then they go out and they start paying for traffic, or they start trying to generate traffic, you know, just from a free perspective, but they're not doing some other key things that needs to be done if they really want to actually make consistent sales. And when you think about it, one of the biggest things that you need to learn as an affiliate marketer is to be able to develop your own brand. Because when you also look at a lot of these gurus that are online, they're not just promoting one product. They're not just standing behind one business opportunity. A lot of them are promoting a whole bunch of other stuff. So the product or the business opportunity is not the business. You are the business. The guru is the business, and they find a way to brand themselves, and they can promote this product and this service and this business opportunity. But you have to learn those different skill sets. How do you build a brand? Well, there's a lot of different ways. That's where you have to get educated, right? There's a lot of things that you can do, from building a blog, from building a YouTube channel, and other social media platforms that you can plug into building your brand. It's creating content, it's doing email marketing. It's all of these different things that help you create that. But if you don't know those things and you're just relying on the templated sales opportunity that, you know, the company is giving you, you're going to fail. You're going to fail. Mark my word on it, you're going to fail. And this is how all the big boys and girls are doing it. They've gotten educated, they're branding themselves, and then they're creating this content and they're implementing what they've learned over the years. And this is how they're blowing up and being very successful. The last thing you have to do is you have to teach. So you have to get the information, you have to implement the information, and then you have to teach the information. Teaching the information is going to actually build you up even more. We talk about building a brand. When you teach people, that's going to help build your brand, and that's also going to build up trust and rapport. So if I have learned how to create a website, and I've learned SEO, and I've learned branding, and I've learned YouTube, and I've learned copywriting and email marketing, I can then start creating content, and I could be teaching other people that may not be as advanced as where I'm at currently. So think about it. If I'm brand spanking new and I don't know how to create a website, I don't know how to write blog posts, and I want to create a blog because I know this is going to help me, if you're out there and you're teaching me how to do it, you're teaching me how to go out and buy a domain, how to go buy hosting, how do you get WordPress installed, explaining to me what plugins that I need, how do you go about creating blog posts and adding images, and where do I get my images from, and how do you do some basic SEO, how do you start getting traffic. Like, these are things that you can teach without having to say, oh, I've made $10,000 a month. But the thing is it's still valuable information, and people will see that value and they'll want that value. And if you teach that information because you've gotten educated, you implemented it yourself, and now you're teaching others, people are going to want to do what you're doing, right? So they're like, teach me how to build that blog. Well, then you say, okay, well, this is how you do it. You go buy your hosting from here. You give them your affiliate link. You go get your domain from here. You give them your affiliate link. You go get your graphics from here, you give them your affiliate link, and these people are gladly purchasing the recommendations that you're giving them because you're showing them something, you're teaching them something, you're helping them build their business. And in the process of you helping them build their business, you're making money. And in that process, you're going to continue to grow. You're going to continue to build trust and rapport. Your audience is going to get much bigger. And as your audience gets bigger, your money will grow. And this is how the big affiliates are making buku money. We're talking 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 and up every single month because this is what they've done. They perfected this formula, the GIT. They've got the information, they've got educated, they're implementing it in their business every single day, and then they're teaching others. And if you can do that, if you can do GIT, you can make as much money online as you possibly want, but you have to do the steps. You have to get the information, you gotta implement it, and then you have to teach. And you will see success in your online business. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got some value out of it. Let me know what you guys think about this secret formula in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.